So I got my mini bike out of storage and it wouldn't start. Well, it started for a second and then died, and then so I figured, well, it's been in storage for, I don't know, at least a few months, and before that it was hardly ridden. So I thought maybe it had bad gas in it, but I wanted to let you guys know that it wasn't bad gas. The float was just stuck, I think. So what I did was I pulled the float bowl here. Well, first I pulled the drain to see if there was anything in it, and there wasn't. So then I pulled the float bowl and then just tapped it a few times with my fingers until the fuel started running, and that was it. Turned the fuel off and I put the thing back on there, and Bob's your uncle. So if you got a no start issue after some storage time, that could be it.